Here I am playing 33 Immortals on my Steam Deck, a game exclusive to the Epic Games Store on PC. I'm going to show you how to install this other storefront and play that library of games on the go. The Epic Games Store is a great storefront to add to your deck since they offer multiple free games every week and even get some games that Steam doesn't. Let's begin. I'm here in game mode on my Steam Deck, but you'll need to switch over to desktop mode. To do that, go into the Steam menu, down to Power, then select Switch to Desktop. Once there, go to Discover and search for Heroic. This will probably be easier with a mouse and keyboard, but if you don't have those available, you can bring up the Steam Deck's keyboard by hitting the Steam and X button at the same time. Click Install on the program. When done, open the program. You can find it in your Game section of the Application Launcher found in the bottom left-hand corner. You'll then need to log into one of your other game libraries. You can see that Heroic also supports GOG and Amazon, but we'll be focusing on the Epic Games Store here. Once you're logged in, click Go to Library. Here, you'll see all the games tied to your account. It's worth noting that not all of them will work. Some games, such as Fortnite, have anti-cheat software that prevents them from working on Linux platforms such as the Steam Deck. Find the game you want. For me, I'll choose 33 Immortals, a multiplayer roguelike that I enjoy quite a bit, and click Install. You can leave the default settings as is. At this point, the game is playable, but let's make it more accessible and have it show up in the game mode interface. Click on the three dots in the corner and select Add to Steam. Let's do this for the Heroic launcher itself as well, so we don't need desktop mode each time we want to enable a new game. Open Steam and select Add a Game in the bottom left corner. Click Heroic Game Launcher and then Add Selected Programs. Now we can return to gaming mode, which is found on your desktop. If you go into your library and over to Non-Steam, you'll see the games you've added and the Heroic Games Launcher. If you want to add more games, go in there and you'll see the same interface as before, but now more easily reachable. And if you add a game from gaming mode and don't see it outside in your non-Steam list, restart your Steam Deck and it should be there. Select the game you've added, in this case 33 Immortals. If you get a pop-up about which wine version to use, just select Yes. The first time you boot a game, it'll take a while to load, but subsequent tries will be much quicker. One quick thing to note, some games might require an additional C++ install. Go ahead and approve that and they should be good to go. And there you go. You're now playing your Epic Games Store games on your Steam Deck, and that's one more library of games you can take on the go with you. Let me know if you found this helpful and if there's more Steam Deck tips you'd like to see a video of in the future. Thanks so much for watching.